Bosch Measuring Tools is the worldwide leader in laser measuring and leveling technology, increasing productivity on the job site every day. This is the Bosch GPL3T 3-point alignment laser that is used for interior horizontal and vertical leveling, alignment, and point transfer. The GPL3T adds to the convenience of an accurate spirit level with the addition of 3 highly visible laser beams that project up, forward, and left of the unit, all positioned at 90 degrees to each other. Normal spirit level operation is only the distance of the frame, but with the addition of laser beams, the operation is extended up to 100 feet. Plumbers, electricians, interior cabinet fitters, overhead door and interior tray installers all benefit from this greatly enhanced distance and accuracy. The frame of the GPL3T is precision crafted of polished aluminum with recessed vertical and level bubbles and a laser on-off switch. The top of the frame has a grooved design to fit conveniently to pipes and is ideal for sprinkler installation. The GPL3T comes with a convenient magnetic base with adjustable feet that can be used to level the unit on uneven surfaces. The GPL3T comes with a belt pouch, magnetic base, and AAA batteries. Experience the versatility and accuracy of the GPL3T 3-point alignment laser on your project.